Hello guys, today is a video about the ABS malfunction. How I figured ABS malfunction is the ABS lamp came on my dash and I tested my car with the OBD2 with the 4scan program. And I'm going to check and show you how. On my notebook, on my laptop, I going to check fault codes. Now we're going to test it and you see ABS C1145 and we see this is a right front wheel speed sensor input circuit failure. They say speed sensor, but we know this is ABS sensor, and if it's a short circuit or circuit failure, the whole system stopped working. What we going to do about it? We're going to check our sensor, because sensor just went bad. I'm going to take off the rotor. I already take off brake caliper, and you see we taking off the rotor and we're going to check our sensor, and we see the wire is gone bad on this sensor because this wheel hub was installed wrong or maybe made wrong in Chinese, so this wire is pinched by the brake caliper, and we see this is torn and probably short circuit on the body of a car or short circuit between these wires. So we're going to install the other ABS sensor Timken, and we see it's probably the short circuit on the body of a car, on the minus, on the negative, and this lamp on the dash, ABS lamp, is lit. We're going to replace this ABS sensor. So we took off this old sensor and going to install the new one. Maybe I can fix this ABS sensor, but it's no way. We're going to little metal gasket on this and stick it to this hole. You see there's a grease in there, grease inside this wheel hub. It was maybe excessive. Yeah, and we're going to grease it here. So this rotor gonna came on fast and easy next time, and clean this a bit. This is the place for the ABS sensor. No, and this grease won't be interfering in the working of this sensor. And we put it inside and it came in hard. So with a little help of my little helper, we're going to do this job. Guess what it is? It is a hammer. MC hammer. Yeah, that's a Russian way, as can you see. It's going to be the good system, ABS system. If you're worried about the ABS, about your driving abilities, you should use ABS, but experienced drivers just don't need the ABS system. I tell you by the secretly. So we done this job. It's going to work fine. Then we put it rotor back. See ya. Thumbs up, press subscribe, and put a smile under this comment section.